Alright, here we are, day 3 of putting together the score for Ferox. My goal tonight is to build the final portion of the score that is kind of an echo of the introduction sound with more of a climactic theme to it.
Film scores. It's about film scoring.
I've currently got my studio lights set to epilepsy. I should change that. Let's see. Let's do this color. Yeah, nice. Nice move there. A little bit of cutting and pasting. I was able to take the basis that I used for the introduction part over in this region and then built a more intense structure of it and added a couple more layers. I added a layer of where I was playing the sticks at the end that sounds like this. And I also added the drum rolls that I was doing on the smaller drum on top of those sounds that I had. I kept the singing that I did for this, but I used the portion where it was in the lower range, and then I added a droning bassy tone to kind of swell into it. I'm not really sure if any of that's going to translate there on my microphone for my camera, so I'm going to play what I've got right now. So I have a fairly good skeletal structure for those two sections of the soundtrack. What I still need is there's a section 7 to 8 minutes in when one of the first characters begins going on a drug trip that I need to come up with something. And then the very end part right here, which is the final climax into the credits. This section right here is going to be a whole lot of fun, so I think I'm going to, right now, save my work. That's important. Save. Save often. So I'm going to start playing with weird noises and see if I can come up with something that is compelling but also in somewhat trippy. Day 3 was a success, a couple hours in, and I'm rendering out a test track right now for 2 of the middle sections of song. I'm rendering this out so I can lay it on top of the current video that I have and make sure what I currently have lines up with the video edit that the director has sent me at this point. So I'm gonna double check that and call it a night. I'll crack at some more finer tuning tomorrow.